Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So let me quickly tell you like what logics we used, why we had a bullish view. Before I tell you anything, go watch my video from 2 days ago. I told you that day. Next एक या दो दिन में strangle जो भी करते हैं उनकी वाट लग सकती है. I said that day, okay? And yesterday also strangle was very difficult, and today also it was very difficult. Okay, mostly if you did strangles, you would have gotten trapped on the call side in Bank Nifty especially. So let me tell you like what I did, okay, and why you should have played a bullish view. Okay, let's try to clear that. Before I start this, we have a workshop on Saturday and Sunday in Bengaluru. So sorry, I've been calling it Bangalore. So if you want to sign up for the workshop, you can do it via the link given in the description below. So first, we'll get started with Bank Nifty. We'll try to analyze, look at it from a multi-time frame perspective. Then we'll try to see why we played a bullish move. Okay, here. Now, first thing I told you last week, like I'm highlighting this candle. Okay, so you see this is a bullish candle. Bullish candle means mostly next week you have to play a bullish move. Okay, now this week you already got a move on the upside, right? Now how did I know this? See, I'll tell you. For example, I see some YouTubers, what they do, every 100 point but there's a line, everywhere there's support resistance. I mean, this is absolutely useless. Okay, if you try to trade that way, they are trading very short term, 1 minute, 2 minutes. They're scalpers kind of like traders. So we don't want to be that. Okay, if there's an up move or down move, we want to capture it. So this every 100 point, 200 point support is like, I don't agree with it personally. Okay, so let's see like what I did. So I know now most likely there should be a bullish move if the last week, if the pin bar high gets taken out. Okay, so that is why the bias was there, bullish bias. Now you got that correct. Now let's go in the shorter time frame, which is a daily time frame. Now see, I told you simple, go and watch Nikita's video. It's probably one of the best support resistance videos you can watch, because she actually is a good trader. You know, the rest of the people, they may or may not be, like they're more of YouTubers kind of. So we are actually primarily traders. So there's a small difference. Okay, if you watch like in an interview or a like analysis of a trader versus that of only a YouTuber, so it's like pretty different. So simple support resistance, this was a resistance. Okay, we got a closing above that. This is the resistance, we got a closing above that, which means what? Most likely market should go up. Okay, I also told you since the last 3-4 days, this gap which was made on 16th of January, this has to be filled. This was a big gap, and I told you this gap can fill very quickly. I told you or not, go watch my videos. So in 3-4 days, market has actually done that. We filled the gap. Our bullish view has been rewarded. See, all those who like prefer Nikita's analysis over mine, now this is probably my last video I think for this week, or I'll record one more tomorrow before I leave, and you will get her analysis back either I think from Tuesday. Okay, so next week Nikita will come back, you'll get your support resistance properly. Now I told you, if Nikita was there yesterday in my analysis, I told you if she was there, she would have told you this is a proper pole and flag pattern, okay, which gave a breakout yesterday. And I told you 2 days ago, most likely anyone who does a triangle will get trapped. Now what happened? If I zoom into the chart, see, whenever a pattern like gives a breakout, okay, if you don't want to trade directionally, you know, at least avoid taking a big loss in triangles. Now I suspect a lot of people would have been trapped in this up move here, because you know, like I saw the premiums on the call side, even small premiums, you know, like 6, 7, 8 rupee call options spike like more than even 10x, 10, 15x. So if you get trapped like that, so it's hard to make money. So I have always been telling you, don't lose much. If you're not sure, avoid the trade. Now this pole and flag breakout we got yesterday, and today market after opening flat, it broke yesterday's high. I mean, why would we sell calls then? So it was a pretty easy day, okay, for us. Now I'll take you to the Nifty analysis, okay. So Nifty, it was more of, see, at all-time high, you should avoid to short, okay. Anytime you get an all-time high, see, try to avoid buying at 52-week low and try to avoid selling at 52-week high. 52-week high is all-time high in Nifty, which is even more bullish than the 52-week high. All-time high breakouts, just as a thumb rule, just avoid selling calls. Nifty में अगर वापस किसी ने अगर like bearish view लिया है, see, last के 3-4 हफ्तों से like वो like SL ही खाते हो गए calls में. So simple Nifty का मैं बता देता हूँ आपको. Nifty also is a bullish only. Now something has to happen for us to become bearish. Like randomly we can't become bearish. Okay, so whenever some pattern or some like indication comes, so we'll update you via our channel, but you'll get it EOD. See, Nifty today also, it has given, first thing, what does today's candlestick tell us? It is a bullish engulfing pattern. Okay, second, the candle itself is a strong candle. This candle is a strong candle. What does it tell you? It tells you most likely Nifty should gap up tomorrow. You know what risk is there, but like there's one risk there today, some bull speech, I think so. after that HDFC Bank fiasco, we just avoid any position. Like even if there's small hint, okay, of some event or news, we want to avoid those trades. You know, because we're trading very, very nicely and we don't want to hamper that, you know, by because of some event or some big gap or gap down. Anyway, so today's Nifty chart on the daily time frame, clean bullish लग रहा है ये, मतलब इसमें bearishness बिल्कुल नहीं दिख रही है, okay? So bearishness, देखो जब स्ट्रक्चर कभी बेरिश होगा निफ्टी का, एक हायर हाई स्ट्रक्चर में है, राइट? ये तो स्ट्रक्चर इसके डेली कैंडल को इसके नीचे क्लोज करना पड़ेगा, ठीक है? 21,875 के नीचे क्लोज होगा तो बेरिशनेस का सोचने लगेगा फिर हम, मतलब तब तक के लिए अवॉइड भी कर सकते हैं कि ट्रेडिंग। दिस इज अज्यूमिंग हमको कुछ मिलता नहीं है ऊपर में। सो डाउन साइड ओनली दिस लेवल इज इंपॉर्टेंट एंड अपसाइड में लेट्स सी, आई थिंक द मूव शुड कंटिन्यू एंड आई हैव बीन टेलिंग यू, मेरे लाइक लास्ट के एक हफ्ते से मैं बोल रहा हूँ आपको 22,800 का टारगेट है निफ्टी में, ओके? तो 22,800 शुड कम, वी आर एक्सपेक्टिंग, सो लेट्स सी। सो अब कल का क्या एनालिसिस रखेंगे हम कल के लिए? सी मार्केट ऑल टाइम हाई पे क्लोजिंग किया है, राइट? अभी यहाँ पे बुलिश नहीं खेलना है, अगर किसी को बेरिश मत खेल, सिंपल। तो अगर कल गैप अप होता है ना ऑल टाइम हाई के बाद, डिपेंड करता है अभी कितना गैप हुए, मतलब अगर थोड़ा बहुत यही रेंज में खुला तो मुझे लगेगा कि ये ऊपर जाएगा। अगर बहुत बड़ा गैप खुल गया कहीं तो मुझे लगता है फिर एक पॉज कैंडल बना सकता है या नीचे आ सकता है। ऊपर और जाने का प्रोबेबिलिटी थोड़ा कम रह सकता है, यू नो, बट आई कुड बी रॉन्ग ऑल्सो, लेट्स सी। बेस्ट तो होगा अगर फ्लैट खुल जाए ना ये जोन में, फ्लैट खुल के अगर आज का हाई निकाल दे वो, तो फिर कंटिन्यूड बुलिशनेस खेल सकते हैं हम। और अगर गैप डाउन होएगा ना निफ्टी में तो ट्राई टू अवॉइड इट। गैप डाउन में इट विल बी ट्रिकी है, ऑल टाइम हाई पे गैप डाउन खुल रहा है तो इंट्राडे में बेरिश है वैसे बुलिश है, तो ट्राई टू अवॉइड गैप डाउन अगर हुआ तो निफ्टी। मैं कल फिर क्या करूंगा, आई थिंक कल के लिए मैंने बता दिया आपको गैप अप, फ्लैट और गैप डाउन का। गैप डाउन पे अवॉइड है, फ्लैट पे इफ इट क्रॉसेस टुडेस हाई गो लॉन्ग, and if it like gaps up a lot then I'll expect a pause or some down move. Let's see, I mean let's see if this goes right or I go wrong. So I'll try to record a weekly analysis video tomorrow and let me know in the comments when should I schedule it, you know, because usually when I schedule it for Saturday very few people watch it on Saturday. I think they try to avoid watching trading videos, Sunday को ही देखते हैं सब। तो मुझे बताओ कि weekly analysis video आपको कभी you want to watch it earlier, I'll upload it on Friday, Saturday or Sunday, तो मैं वैसे अकॉर्डिंगली शेड्यूल कर देगा उसको कल रिकॉर्ड करके। सो लेट मी नो दैट, एंड इफ यू डिराइव्ड एनी वैल्यू फ्रॉम दिस वीडियो प्लीज कंसिडर लाइकिंग द वीडियो, इट हेल्प्स अस, इट मोटिवेट्स अस, and you know we can keep bringing this accurate analysis for you then. So I hope you like this video. I hope this was a pretty clear logic of like how sort of we trade. I won't get into the exact details, I think we keep that for the workshop attendees only, but general view and all how we've taken it I've told you already, so I've already told you that. So yeah, thank you for watching and I will see you tomorrow.